It's pumpkin season.
Maybe the stupid cat or a pumpkin.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or a.
Who's excited?
Can I go check out?
Halloween stuff. Hey, let's go check out the thing first, and then we can go do the Halloween stuff and the Christmas stuff. Oh my gosh. It's October and there's Christmas stuff.
I saw Goofy.
I saw Goofy too.
All those lights.
We're in the lighting section. So cool. Flashy lights.
Oh, pretty lights, Mom.
Which ones? Oh, so colorful.
Blue lights. Halloween. Paint. Do you need any paint?
I don't think so. Look at this light. Multi-color rope light. Hoop light.
Why is it a different color?
So you can paint whatever color you want.
Why don't we need paint?
We're not painting anything. We don't need anything painted.
We do.
Except you just painted your awesome haunted house. You used to have face paint on you. I'm surprised they don't sell this kids paint here. If they did, I'd buy some, I think.
Face paint?
No, the paint that they use for the kids projects.
But what about one?
Oh, look at this. He's mixing up the he's mixing up the paint. You're so silly.
Indeed, an apple, fingernail, and a fresh, quivering tongue. Like it says, or us.
Oh, look at!
Whoa, is that the one that's going? Whoa, it's so big.
I see it.
Yeah, I think you did that.
Mom, look.
Whoa, look at this dragon, Allie.
No, look at this bridge, Mom.
Whoa. I think that one's in the back, yeah. Oh my gosh. That's funny. Aww. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. Life-size Olaf.
Oh, just look at all the twinkling lights. Everything seems so peaceful and cozy. Oh, I love Christmas time. Oh, I wish I could wrap up
all the goodies you got today.
Whoa. It can turn all the way around.
Yeah. You gonna put the sticker on?
On the side, this is the front.
Mm-hmm, that is the front. You gotta kind of line it up, I think. I think this right. Hey, good job. You gonna put the bats on too?
Whoa.
Oh, yeah. You know, you could probably just leave that there.
Can it make its own hole?
I think if you peeled it
Looks
off,
like a light.
it does kind of look like a light, like a lamp. Batty, batty, bats.
Other side.
You're gonna put on the back? That's a good idea.
Well, what's gonna go in the back though?
Hmm?
What's gonna go in the back? Why didn't they have a sticker on the back?
Hmm.
Pumpkin.
You can do something on the back, maybe?
Like what?
Oh. It's fun.
Why wasn't there a pumpkin? See? No pumpkin. It's just
You
like
can maybe draw a pumpkin. Can you draw a pumpkin? Home Depot kits. Oh, on the very bottom. Does it fit? Oh, sweet. Awesome. What are you gonna put in there?
candy. Now.
What kind of candy? That's awesome. Good job, kiddo. That was a pretty easy one, huh? Do you enjoy it? What was your favorite part? Putting the sticker on? Mm-hmm. Cool.